attended production or gigs at the Town Plaza for the lesser portion of people who consume those dishes. So this is done in the town also started before. Um, and the parade is also accompanied by water drops of everyone who is in the city. However, the first ever recording was in 1906. So as the year passed by, more and more people from the district started to join as the municipal blessing, of which they also speak that we have the Atlantic Festival, fighting to organize just the this festival. During its uh, some sources will tell that it was a form of conflict that the landowners of Angono, province of Rizal, okay, or a form of revenge that we developed against the whole landscape of the landowners of Angono, or a form of morality for the people of Angono during the post-war. However, the festival as we know it today actually features or since Angono Rizal is the icon of such uh, in their but contemporary festival started as an image. It's part of the town fiesta celebration. It's only the giant paraded. Then in the 80s, it was proposed by uh, Ferdinand Bakalan uh, to make more giants encourage the local artists to join the event and for it to be celebrated on a different type of the fiesta, which the main purpose was for the local. Next, the Coconut Festival or the Coco Festival as known in the Pampanga. This festival is celebrated on 6 to held every second week of January in conjunction with the dance fiesta. So it features only one of cities products, which is Coconut. Um, but it also aims to boost tourism and part the rich culture of the town and the other agricultural products. One thing the festival makes is that Pampanga City is one of the most cities rather better known for its nature. Thus, it's also called the Big Apple. However, it's quite ironic that the so it's for one of the only festivals that was put on because it's the only festival that was put and it was quite beneficial to it's celebrated also in the the church is still involved. However, unlike before, it was only the church that was organized. So there was an official ordinance that it is officially one of the church related to aging social but social capital and social capital, social capital relate to social capital. Because the participants affirm that several persons who later on became personal acquaintances because of the festivals, they were able to extend their networks for the businessmen. They gained new customers because of the festivals, which became their customers. The festivals also a venue where you get someone that uh, and that someone in the project one of the people ideas according to the participants. And another one of the participants mentioned that the product was featured in a big time prime delivery. Um, their product became an instant hit in their locality. Furthermore, the festival also, according to the participants, because of the festival, they get people whom they were competing with in one of the events, and they become friends. And one even mentioned that they started to um, one another as if they were family. So because of the festival, they were able to so combined, all of the festivals were also contributed also contributed to the bonding social capital of the participants as well. So some of the participants watch or attend of the festivals with their relatives, friends, and classmates. So this means that the festival is an event wherein the residents can enjoy and bond together. So, furthermore, according to the respondents, in watching an event of the festival, or according to the participants, they watch the events with their friends, some were from other places, family and relatives who are sitting in the same household, but and some are from other places. So the festival serves as an event where they can be and where they reminisce their time and when they were still studying and friends from other places as well. So it's an event where you get one another. And the festival is also where the participants attend different events of the festival with their family and relatives and other. So it's a place where they can spend quality time together, relax, and enjoy each other's company and rekindle their friendship. And also the festival contributes to making social capital. Okay, so based from the or from the organizers or with the organizers, which is also an agency under the provincial government. The festival are social capital in a way that the organizers ask for the participation and support of all the local government systems. So the festival organizers also include schools, churches, and private sectors, and further participation in the local and national businesses. So it includes different agencies, whether the government of different levels and the business like the public. The characteristics or features of the festival that contribute to the these are the host, out, the festival, game, education, the involvement, confidence in public institutions, cultural inclusion, presentations, research for social stress. So according to the participants, because of the festival, it develops communication. And there are competitions. These competitions are held competitions in a way that um, because of these competitions, the people, there are so many events in the festivals that all the people within the community are involved. So leading towards the people that are involved have this sense of belonging, uh, and also according to the participants, they are able to share their culture and history that is coming from different places. And, and coming to the festival, festivals, we conducting some seminars and are these are embedded in different programs under the festivals. So one of the events of that festival is that yeah, in the Anilag Festival, the people were taught on how to make along out of the fish. Uh, so, and then or several things that can stop and to maximize involvement, there are also organized wherein the days of the celebrations are mental health. And according to the participants, because of the festival, they are proud